An important question for you. If your ideal client landed on your LinkedIn profile today, would they immediately understand who you help, how you help them, and why they should connect with you? Or would they see a generic professional profile that blends in with everyone else? LinkedIn is not just for job seekers. It's a gold mine for connecting with your soulmate clients if you set it up the right way. And this is important. And today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so it becomes a magnet for the exact people you want to work with. So big. Your headline, this is prime real estate. So instead of coach or owner, make it speak directly to your audience. For example, use something like helping wellness entrepreneurs attract clients and grow thriving soul-aligned businesses. Make it clear, specific, and client-focused. And your profile photo should be warm, approachable, and professional. Just you, smiling and confident. Your banner is your billboard. So use it to share who you serve, the transformation you deliver, and a simple call to action. For example, use something like helping women over 40 turn their wellness passion into a thriving business. This is your story and pitch in one place. So use the first few lines to speak directly to your soulmate clients' pain points and desires. So important. Then share your journey and why you're passionate about helping them. End with a clear invitation, like a link to book a call or access to a free resource. Be sure to showcase a link to your free lead magnet, a video introducing yourself, and your work testimonials or case studies. So big. This section should give instant proof of your expertise and credibility. And list your current role as your business, not just self-employed. Describe who you help and the results you deliver. Ask past and current clients for recommendations. Social proof is so powerful, especially on LinkedIn. It's so important. And your profile works best when paired with consistent, high-value content. So post educational tips for your niche, inspirational stories from your journey, client wins, and invitations to connect to join your programs. And engage daily by commenting on your ideal clients' posts and responding to messages. This goes a long way. And have someone in your target audience review your profile for 10 seconds and ask them, do they know who you help? Do they know the result that you deliver? Do they know how to take the next step? If they answer no to any of these questions, adjust your messaging. Your LinkedIn profile isn't just a digital resume. It's a 24/7 marketing tool. Optimize it with intention, keep your content consistent, and make it crystal clear how your soulmate clients can work with you. If you want deeper support to align your brand, attract ideal clients, and grow your wellness business, join us inside the Purpose to Profit program. We'll give you the systems, tools, and the mentorship to thrive. So go update your profile today and let LinkedIn start working for you. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, take care.